Good afternoon, everybody. Here to talk about 4.6, the Cloud Chamber Lab. So one thing I wanted to talk about with this one, just really briefly, is thinking about what's going on as we look at something going radioactive decay. So a cloud chamber is a place where you can put something undergoing radioactive decay, and because of the alcohol vapor that's in the chamber, you can see the effects of the different types of particles coming off during decay. So what I'd really recommend, this first video is how to make a cloud chamber, which is actually pretty cool, but not something you're probably going to do, but it's on there anyway. The second video is one that is observing a cloud chamber. So I'm going to switch over to that one really quick right here. And we'll just look through this, and you'll notice that there is just lots of different types of things happening here. So I'm going to blow this part up real quick so you can see it a little better. You'll see lots of different types of things. So you see these big kind of straight ones shooting off. You see kind of some like curly things happening all over the place, all the way out. So something like right there, like you just saw right there. These tiny little curly ones, those are a different type of particle than the big ones shooting right off. You see some of the really wide ones here. See, like this one that came out way out over here. There's all sorts of different things to talk about. In a little bit, I probably won't talk too much about the differences between them. I'll leave that for that one video that I'll put at the end of this that talks a little bit about it. Oh, no, sorry, that's another lesson I'm thinking about. Sorry. I might put up a short video about it, but really the main thing I want you to see is that you can visually see the differences between different particles, like alpha particles and beta particles. There are several other types of particles that might occur during radioactive decay, but those are the main ones we're talking about, and that's the main thing I want you to see in the Cloud Chamber Lab.